Okay, hi you all, it is me, Maya March, and we are back with another one. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk much and we're gonna just get straight into the tutorial, but sometimes I feel like some people want to see how your hair look prior to you braiding it. So I was just gonna show y'all. I did like a leave-in conditioner. This is how my hair looked. It is back. Super healthy, super fluffy, super thick. Okay, so what I'm doing basically is getting this less jam. It doesn't matter what kind. A lot of people say the purple, the red. I just got something that said the extra hold. Let me see.
When creating your parts, you can create nice straight parts for like an extra neat look, or you can round them off to create a more natural look.
Okay, so it took over an hour, or at least an hour, just to do 15 plaits, because I think it's like 15 or 16. I'll count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I gotta do this half. I make them wish like Ray J. Okay, so I'm taking 2. I'm making them even. Okay, so these are 2 and you just fluff it. And then this is my head. I've done majority of it. We only have like 6 left.
You want to make sure to fully moisturize your hair before braiding as well. I use the Talia Curly Curl Cream of Nature Reconstructing Anti-Breakage Leave-In and an oil. You could just pick an oil, but I got a little special oil I'll be using. I'll get y'all hip on that later.
Fighter. Slightly inspired. Fight.
I began wrapping some of the hair around my thumb to create that distressed look. So it's literally you put your thumb down and then you wrap the hair around. This little process, I'm not gonna lie y'all, it took a long time. I think at least about 3 hours. It was kind of long. So you gotta have at least dedicated 5 hours to do all of this. Maybe if I wasn't recording, it could have went fast, but it's really hard, y'all, to record and be doing hair. That is even more time consuming. But once you get the technique down, it really doesn't take anything. It kind of took me probably on average about, I think, 7 minutes per lock. I know that sounds like a long time, but I don't know. It was with the wrapping, it just seemed like it took forever. This was definitely a fun hairstyle to have. I didn't think I was gonna keep it up past a week, and then I ended up wearing it for I think about 2-3 weeks, y'all. I ended up falling in love, and I think I want to try a new color. If y'all got a color you would like for me to try, make sure you comment the color down below in the comment section.
Okay, we are on our last one, and I just want to like redo everything. I just want to make sure we got everything understood. So we take 2 pieces. I got them even. And we're pulling the hair apart to make it a little frizzy. So take your time. Okay, you see her go one side. Okay. I hate this little extra hair right here for some reason. I'll fix it later.
So we're placing the crochet hook in and we're putting the hair halfway in as well. Then we're slowly wrapping our hair clockwise, tight, but not too tight, because I know the tight monsters will be in the comments like, you can't have it too tight. But anyways, tight around the base of your hair. And then we're going to begin to slowly wrap the hair. And when it comes to the ends, I began wrapping the hair up around the lock. Then with your hands, just rub the hair together and you are finished and you have a perfect lock. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until later, you all. Bye.